Alright guys, today I want to do an unboxing and review on my XGB Wireless Mouse. So I just got it in. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. One function that I did like was it does have Bluetooth, and then it's got 2.4G wireless connection. So you could use one or the other. Bam, check it out. Very, very nice mouse. It's also got 3 DPI settings. I'll get those settings here in a second. It's got some side buttons here on the side, but you also get a little instruction manual, and the other cool part is it has a battery built into it, 500 mAh, and it uses a Type-C to charge it up, and then here is the Bluetooth option. It keeps it right at the bottom. So what we can go ahead and do is hook it up just to kind of test it out. The Type-C charging function is right up top. The other cool thing that I was reading on it was that it also goes to auto sleep within 5 minutes. So you don't have to worry about it dying right away, or if you forget to switch it off or whatever. It's going to auto shut off on its own, so you don't have to worry about the battery dying right away. But other than that, let me go get my laptop real quick. We'll go ahead and kind of test it out, see how it works. And then we'll go from there. All right, so we're going to go ahead and hook it up. And like I did mention, it's got 3 DPI settings. I just looked it up. It's 1200, 2400, and 3200 for the settings. So I'm going to go ahead and do the Bluetooth option today. Let's see. Take this part out. Plug it in here. It should just be a plug and play. Got it going. Let's see. There it is. Found new mouse. I'm going to go ahead and hit connect. And it's connected. Perfect. So, literal. I don't know if it's going to show it on there, but we can go to my Windows, or we can go to Chrome. And it moves really, really nice. Like, I like the feel of it in your hand. It doesn't feel like a big, large mouse or anything. Just comfortable on here. Good for gaming. Good for just, like, I work from home, so this will be just for either my laptop or my desktop. You could use it on either or. So if you're looking for a good mouse, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.